Hi everyone who stopped by this video. Today I will show you a signal with which you can get 10% profit from each round. In this scheme we will use the exchanges Binance and Bitnex. And believe me, the scheme really works. Let's register. I will register directly in the video so that it will be clear to you. On this exchange without KYC verification, you can trade up to $200,000 per month. As you can see, the Ethereum rate on this exchange is about 10% higher than on Binance. And so, first I buy Ethereum on Binance. Since I have confidence in this exchange, I will start with an amount of $5,000. But you can top up your balance with any amount. After that, we need to deposit Ethereum balance on Bitnex. To do this, click on the Deposit button. Here, select Ethereum in the list and click Show Address. Now copy this address and go to Binance. Paste this address here, enter the full amount and click on the Withdraw button. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all we have to do is to sell Ethereum profitably on spot trading. Select Ethereum and scroll down the page. Here we need to select the entire amount of Ethereum. Finally, click on the Sell Ethereum button. As a result of this transaction, we have received more than $5,000. Now we need to withdraw them to Binance. To do so, go to the Withdraw section. Select Tether USDT on the TRC20 network. Now go back to Binance and copy this address. Paste that address here and enter the full amount. Finally, click on the Withdraw button and wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we earned almost $500. I will continue with this scheme and advise you to do the same. Now, I will do a round with $50,000. We follow the same methodology. In this way, I have earned more than $5,000 while showing you this video. Bye.